In this video, I will tell you that how to show temperature on Snapchat. So first of all, we will open up the settings here and we will allow Snapchat to use the location services. So we will tap on apps and notifications, and then we will tap on Snapchat here, and then we will tap on permissions, and then here you can see that location. Okay, so allow all the time. So okay, so we will head back, and now we will actually open up the Snapchat application here, and after this we will actually, okay, so just like turn on the location here. Okay, okay, so now what we will do here, we will take a snap here, and now we will tap on the stickers icon at the top right here, like this one, and here you can see that this is the temperature sticker. So we will just tap on this one. So what this basically does is, if we turn on the location, okay, so it automatically tracks our location and gets the temperature and shows it here. Okay, so guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.